Hopefully this goes without saying. I'm just trying to cover all the bases. Only butter the inside of your bread. Okay. Thank you. So I'm going to show you guys how to make a really healthy breakfast today. We're going to concentrate on protein, and we're going to concentrate on our grains for the day, okay? Absolutely kidding. We're going to make a bacon sandwich today. That's it. Simplicity at its best. Classic is just beautiful white sandwich bread. You want to get the best bacon you can get as well. Here I have some absolutely beautiful smoked bacon done locally here in Ontario. Go to a local butcher where they know that they're doing it in-house, or they're getting it in from a really cool local farm in your area. Best ingredients you can get, end product is going to be that much better. Instead of doing brown sauce or ketchup at the end, we're going to have it with some Branston pickle. If you're doing it in a pan, cold pan, bacon in, then bring the heat into it, that's actually going to render a whole lot of the water and the fat that's inside of the bacon. It's going to get crispier and not as flabby. Better for a sandwich. Boom, nailed it. All right, here we go. Boom. Cheeky Caesar. Heat's on. Oh, it's gonna start smelling good in here, I tell you. It might not be your favorite thing in the world, but you gotta take a bacon low and slow. Low and slow is the key, because you gotta render out all that fat. Hooray, mayo! Please, could I have some? She doesn't sound like that. Okay, so I've been here taking care of this, monitoring it. It's beautiful, just like nice equal browning all around though too. What I like to do is I like to take off half of my bacon now. I'll take ones that aren't like completely crispy yet, but are still cooked all the way through. But I'm gonna take those. I'm gonna keep these ones on here just a little bit longer, make sure they get really crispy. So when you put them in your sandwich, you're gonna have a nice mixture of crispy, not as crispy, crispy, not as crispy, crispy, not as crispy, all the way down. You get texture all the way through the sandwich. Boom, rocked it. All right, gonna kill the heat here because that is nice and crispy, just the way I want it. Okay, sandwich construction. Pay attention because it's really complicated. We're gonna add just a tiny bit more fat by adding some beautiful butter. So as you guys can see, not that crispy, very crispy. Not that crispy, very crispy. Okay, so we're gonna go crispy, really nice and crispy, very crispy, not that crispy. Oh, boom. Look at that. Simplicity at its best. That's gonna be good. I'm done. I'm done for the day.
Look at that kitchen music.
Now, eh? Okay.
Say crispy. Crispy!
Just want people to know